Hi, I'm Julie Steelman. We want to welcome you to Nature Photography Secrets. This is a fantastic, fun collaboration between Lo Kutzer and I. He is my photography mentor, and I want to throw it over to you to say hello to everybody.
Hi there, everybody. That's Julie, my first mentorship student, and she's blossomed up to the point that she published a marvelous book. Looking forward to this journey.
Lo is born and bred South African. You know, we started this because I met you in February of 2015 in Ndutu, which is in Tanzania, in the Ngorongoro crater. And I was with a very interesting group of photographers, and that whole trip was very interesting along the whole way. But you showed me something and you taught me something about how to actually successfully photograph action shots and create world class images. And I believe that you have the secret to a photographic recipe, having spent 5 decades behind a camera, and that body of work having been turned into a model for leadership in the corporate world, and now a curriculum in the collegiate world that can be shared with people so that we can all have a fantastic experience and continually push the frontier of our photographic edges. And that's why I have been bugging you to do this.
Well, it's been an honor all along the way. And yeah, I think you've been very generous in what you said about me. But yes, I do believe every man has got the birthright for a few moments of genius in his life.
Yeah.
And
And woman.
those sort of recipes that I discovered, some of them came by accident, to be honest. Some of them were being at the right place in the right time. And then, yes, being able to connect the dots. But it has changed my wildlife photography into a total absolute next level. And 10 years after the journey started, we are reinventing ourselves again and we're pressing another reset button. So this is an eternal journey for me as well. So if I think back at where we started, the group that you were part of was actually very diverse. From novice to people that have traveled extensively, to people that this might have been their first time in Africa, although they've done other trips. And the great thing for me is to experience that the recipe that has made me successful, the photographic recipe, has got no boundaries.
Yeah.
It goes across experience level. It doesn't matter what brand of camera you have. It doesn't matter how experienced you are. This is a recipe for all seasons, for all destinations, for all photographers, and for all brands. And that's something that's exciting. You can take people and
Yeah.
you can take them on this enormously exciting journey.
Yeah.
And that the thing that excites me personally at this point in time, this journey has taken me to a place. And I think I dragged you along over the last best of a year to say that this is actually future proof.
Yeah.
I think where we are now, we are future proof for at least 2 decades in terms of the technology that's going to be thrown my way. I'm sitting very comfortable. I don't know if I'm going to see another 20 years, but I'm going to do some good photography in whatever part of that 20 years I have. And I'm really looking forward to this journey with you and to the listeners. This is an exciting project and we're going to have a lot of fun.
We're going to have a lot of fun. I couldn't agree with you more about feeling future proof. And no matter what environment I enter, whether I'm in deep heat in the savannas or I'm in the Arctic or I'm in Antarctica, these tools really work. And so, in the Nature Photography Secrets podcast, what we're going to share with you are tips pushing the frontier of photographic edges, refuting old belief systems about how to shoot, and really actually entering in some new radical ideas for the 21st century, understanding sensors and technology and how to apply the technological advances to photography today so you maximize your results. At the end of the day, both of us have the intention that there be more wildly passionate photographers out there who are shooting world-class images and able to edit them and get as much variety out of a scene as possible. Anything you want to add to that?
No, I can say amen. That was wonderfully put. Um, there is an exciting world waiting out there, and that world is filled with incredible stories and memories.
Yes.
And I would like photographers to go and tell those stories. Now, let me revise that. I would like to equip photographers with the ability that whatever the story is that nature wants to tell them at a specific moment, that they are equipped to do it. And they can have the safety net to know that they can go in, as you rightfully said, be it in Antarctica, be it on the top of a mountain in the Karoo in South Africa, be it on the Mara while the crossings are taking place, be it in Alaska, in Lake Clark, photographing agro and 3 cups having a ball. This recipe is a recipe for all seasons, and that is exciting.
It's for all seasons, it's for all lighting scenarios as well, and being able to maximize that. And you know what Lo brings to the table is an incredible lifetime career of photographic excellence, understanding physics and how to fully utilize the tools across the board to capture world-class images. And I bring the perspective of someone who travels constantly, who makes a professional art out of globetrotting, is still learning is still on my photographic journey and learning. And so together we kind of bring you multiple perspectives here, and that's what we wanted to do. So I hope you'll join us and listen to Nature Photography Secrets.
Looking forward to it.